Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the machine runs reliably. Check that power supply matches the label and use a dedicated circuit for stability. Once done, unbox and place the unit on a level, stable surface near the water source. Make sure filters and ingredient hoppers are clean and dry before loading. You load ingredients now to prevent air gaps. Beans in the hopper, instant powders in labeled canisters, and a fresh water filter installed to protect internal valves and taste. You now connect utilities and perform calibration because accuracy ensures consistent drinks. Attach the braided water hose to the inlet, open the isolation valve slowly, and check for leaks. Make the electrical connection last, then verify polarity and ground with a multimeter for safety. Next, power on and follow the menu to program cup sizes, strength levels, and target brew temperature. Calibrate portion sensors by dispensing a test cup and adjusting grams or milliliters until the portion matches the recipe. You finish by validating operation and fixing issues before customers arrive. Run multiple rinse cycles to purge air and loose particles, watching for steady flow and correct volumes. Once done, make sure each preset produces the intended taste and temperature. Tweak grind size, dose, or mix ratios while noting why each change matters to flavor balance. Finally, inspect seals, coin mechanism or card reader function, and drains. If drinks are weak or inconsistent, check grind, dosing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.